Hello everyone, this is Shiv Kumar sir here. Today we are going to discuss probability. It's a very important topic for gate point of view. So, probability of an event is defined as P of A is equal to favorable outcomes divided by sample space, and it's indicated by M by N, where M could be equal to or less than equal to N. So, probability of an event could be equal to 0 or could be equal to 1. So that happened only in case of biased coin, that is both side head or both side tail. So first of all, we'll discuss the sample space for different cases and corresponding favorable outcomes. So sample space is collecting of all possible outcomes of an experiment. Like first case, I'm going to take for coin. The tossing a coin, that is unbiased coin, n number of times is given as 2 raised to n, and the 2 is here for head and tail. So if you take it here, n is equal to 2, the sample space will be 2 raised to 2 and it's 4. So that is head head, then first time head, second time head. So head head, head tail head, or tail tail it could be. Or else if you toss a coin one time, then the sample space will be head and tail. Like first time head, yes, second time tail, it can come up. Similarly, n is equal to 4, the sample space will be 2 raised to 4 and it's a 16. So total 16 sample space will be there. So no need to write down all the sample space. It's very difficult to write down. So we'll solve the problem based on concept here. Similarly, if you go for rolling a die, and for dice case, so if you are going to roll a dice n number of times, the sample space will be 6 raised to n. And if n is equal to 1 times, if you roll it, 6 raised to 1 is a 6, and the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you roll n is equal to 2 times, 6 square is 36, and it will be 1, 1, 1, 2 to 1, 6. And if you go down, it's a 6, 1, 2, 6, 6, and total it will be 6 into 6 is 36. So we have to know about the sample space for all the possible cases. Next, we check the sample space for a card case. So we know that in a pack of card, there is a total 52 cards are there, and that 52 is divided into two types, that is the black and red. The black is 26 and the red is also 26. Now the black is further divided into spade and club, and red is heart and diamond, and each card is 13, 13, 13. So it will be 13 into 4, it will be here 52. So it will start from ace to 3, and it will go up to jack, queen, and king, and total it will be here 52. So now next we have to know about the face cards. So what are the face cards are there? So jack, queen, and king, and we know that the each card is 4, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is the 12. So each card is 4, 4 means what? What are the 4 cards? So I can say that one will be a spade, club, and there is diamond and heart, and then diamond. So these are the 4 cards are there. So we have a problem based on that point. We'll check the just a problem here. So this is the previous year question paper, and there is a 3 coins tossed a time. Find the probability of getting a exactly 3. So first of all, write down the sample space. If you are going to toss the coin 3 times, so it's the sample space will be 8. So now I need to get it here 3 heads. So let's say that the X indicates that event, and that is equal to 3 heads. So 3 heads means the all the time it should be head only. So now this 3 head we can arrange it by how many ways? It's a 3 factorial divided by head is repeating thrice, write on 3 factorial, and you write on the 0 factorial because the tail is not there. So tail is a 0 time and head is 3 times. So this one I can write on 3C3. So 3C3 indicates that head is 5 times and the tail is 0 times. So we have a general formula for that. I can say that it's a NCX. NCX means X indicates that head. So I can say that the tail will be here N minus X. So to get the 3 head, I will write down directly 3C3. That will be the favorable outcome divided by sample space is how much? It's 8. And 3C3 value is a 1, 1 divided by 8. So answer will be here 1 by 8. No need to write down the sample space here. Similarly, we'll check it for next one. Find out the probability getting at least 2 head. So the minimum, the head should be 2 and the maximum it could be 3. So find out the probability of getting x is equal to 2 head and find out the probability at x is equal to 3 head. So we can say that directly here combination format we can apply it here NCX where x indicates that getting a head. So 3 trials is there, so it's a 3C2. This is the favorable outcome divided by sample space is 8. And we need here 3 head. So out of 3 trials, 3 head means 3C3 divided by 8. So the 3C2 value will be 3 divided by 8 and 3C3 value is a 1, 1 divided by 8. It's a 4 by 8. We can say that it's a 1 by 2. So the right answer is here. Option number 2 is right answer. So thank you everyone. This is the quality basics are there. So thank you everyone.